Hey, it's Queen T and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you too can become part of my Royal Squad. If you're already part of my Royal Squad, thank you for continuing to rock with your girl. Today I'm rocking this little cutie that I picked up from Klaiyi hair. This is an 18-inch orange jerry curl. It's jerry curl. It's a T part, so it's just got the lace right here. A little bit of lace around here. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned.
You wake up in the morning with a bad hair day, but you really want your hair to be slayed. Go to Queen T, go to Queen T, go to Queen T.
Okay, so I'm back and I just finished styling the hair, and this is the look that I decided to go with today for Super Bowl Sunday. Now, this wig is an 18-inch, and it says that it's Jerry curl, but I'm getting more of a like a loose, maybe a loose wave, a loose curl. In my opinion, it's not as tight as like a Jerry curl, and that's probably because it's been processed and dyed to be this color. Like I said, it's an 18-inch, and it's a T part, so that means that you just have the lace right here, and then you have about 1 inch of lace from like here to here. So it was a real simple install. I just sprayed it down with my Even in the gold can. I did a couple layers of that, as you guys saw, dried it down, and I just went ahead and placed it down. I popped some of my my Hair Fetish Knot Concealer in the part just to make the part pop. I did pluck the part. Now, because there's only an inch or half an inch of lace around the front, I really couldn't pluck this part of it, so it's kind of thicker than what I like it to be, which is kind of why I pulled it back like this to try to just maybe, you know, help it a little bit. But I think that it's still cute. Like I said, it made for a real easy install. It didn't take me that long at all, as you guys see, and I just tied it down for about 10 minutes with my melt belt. And while I did that, I went ahead and I used my flat iron to, you know, to press this out, flatten this out some. And I didn't do the styling on camera because I was trying to, but you know, you guys, I still struggle with that. So I just ended up just doing it off camera. But all I did was I just took 2 little pieces of hair, pulled them back into ponytails, and then I pulled it back into one ponytail in the back, and I just put these little bling bling barrettes on there, just kind of give it a little fun, cute little look, and went on about my day. Now, when I first washed the hair, it did bleed, so the water was orange, so you might want to be mindful of that. I don't know how it's going to act like in a rainstorm or anything like that. I mean, once it's dry, it's not bleeding or anything. It's curly hair, so I did get some tangles, but for the most part, I'm not getting very much shedding. A couple of strands here and there, so that's good. But you know, I expect to get shedding with a curly unit. That's unavoidable, so it's not a big deal. As long as it's not just like shedding excessively, then I'm okay. But other than that, I don't really have a whole lot more to say about the wig. It is soft. It is manageable. I would definitely recommend it. Like I said, it's a very easy, beginner-friendly install. So if you're looking for some color and an easy install, and you could even probably wear this glueless if you just tighten up those adjustable straps in the back. Because I could have worn it glueless, but I was going to a Super Bowl party, and I didn't want any mishaps. I didn't want no problems, you know. So I went ahead and tacked it down because I can't be sliding back, you know, in front of company. But you could get away with this with wearing it glueless, and especially also if you sewed an elastic band in it, like right here. You'd be able to wear it glueless with no problem. So we're going to go ahead and we'll do a 360 and go ahead and wrap this up. So this is the front. And this is the right side. This is the back. And like I said, it's 18 inches. But it's curly, so it might seem a little bit shorter than 18 inches. This is the left side. And voila. So I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, remember to like, share, subscribe, and also comment below, you guys. I love interacting with you guys in the comments. I respond to every comment that I get, so go ahead, drop a comment if you have any questions, if you just want to tell me what you think of your opinion about it, whatever it is. Go ahead, let's talk in the comments. I'm all for that. I'm with all of that. So I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. Hope that you've learned something, and remember, if you don't chase your dreams, you'll never catch your dreams. Until next time, bye.
Like, subscribe below. Like, subscribe below.